Hi, I'm Cal and welcome to another episode of $36 Temu Saw. I bet you that would make for a good arrow. When I was little, I used to remember finding arrowheads when Dad would plow the field up here. So every once in a while, I would turn up a little Indian arrowhead. Take the little cicada shells, look, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute, little cicada shell. Let's go out here and see some erosion. Yes, Dad built this fence 1970. 65? Either way, Daddy built this fence 50 some odd years ago. It's had a little work done it all over the years, I'm sure, but I bet you that's about 50 years of erosion.